Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I wanted to tell you what we are doing for Christmas this year. Now, we have 4 kids. We have a 9.5-year-old boy, an almost 8-year-old boy, a 5.5-year-old girl, and a 1.5-year-old boy. So normally, my husband gets a gift for all the kids, and I get a gift for all the kids. And then my mom and other relatives get lots of gifts for my kids as well. So they usually have a pretty big Christmas. However, this year my mom was feeling stressed, so she said that she would give me the money she usually spends if I pick out the gifts. So this is why the list is a little bit bigger than it would normally be, but I just wanted to put that out there. I'm ordering all the gifts this weekend, so I'll put the pictures up on the screen as I go through them so you can see what they are. Now, for my second son, he is almost 8, so he is also getting a cookbook, but this one is super simple cooking for kids. He is also getting a pogo stick and a pogo trick board. Although he just fractured his collarbone sledding, so he won't be able to use the pogo stick or pogo trick board for the first month and a half, so that's sad. Oh well. But I also got him the same fishing kit, and he's also getting a remote control car. My husband's picking those ones out though because he knows what to buy and I have no idea. So I may not be able to get the picture in the video, but everything will be linked in the description. Since obviously the fishing kit will not be here for him either, I got him a chess set, so that way he will be able to play with something while his collarbone heals, instead of not having anything to play with for Christmas. And then for stockings, I usually go all out at the dollar store. And then I'll just kind of see what dollar store has, if they have anything, little snacks and stuff. Of course, candy. This year, I decided to do stockings just from the dollar store. I normally do most of it from the dollar store, but this time I just did all of it. I'll go through everything one by one, so you can see what we did. This year the stockings are just full of edible stuff, aka junk food. Last year we had little crafts and things in their stockings and they just didn't get used, so I figured my kids would appreciate a bunch of junk food and it makes it easy for me. So, the bottom of each stocking will have one of these hot chocolate bombs. My kids like them a lot. The baby won't get one of these, but the kids will. All the kids will have one of these little generic M&M candy cane things. Peppermint bark bars, nice and thick. I probably should have gotten one for myself, they look really good. This was a 3-pack of Cracker Jacks, so each kid will get one of these. Everyone gets their own bag of kisses. I got 2 boxes of Fruit by the Foot. I never buy these, except Christmas sometimes. So each of my older kids will get 2 rolls, not 2 packages. I got these really cute chocolate figurines, each different for each kid, so that there's no fighting about it, or no mistakenly eating someone else's chocolate. And then I just got a bunch of candy, so we got peppermint patties, 2 bags of that, peanut butter cups, also 2 bags, chocolate Santas. This year they didn't have any chocolate covered marshmallows. It was so sad. Chocolate balls, and chocolate bells. And I'll just open these and just divide them between the stockings. Alright, please like and subscribe, it really helps me out and helps the channel out. And I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Bye.